Oregon is an excellent state to open an LLC business for a variety of reasons. First and foremost, Oregon has a thriving business environment with a diverse economy that includes high-tech industries, natural resources, and agriculture. The state has a reputation for being business-friendly, with a relatively low tax burden and a government that is supportive of small businesses. Additionally, Oregon is home to several major cities, including Portland, which has a vibrant and diverse culture that attracts entrepreneurs and consumers alike. If you're considering starting an LLC in Oregon, there are several steps you'll need to follow. In this video, we'll walk you through the process, from choosing a name to filing your paperwork with the state. Step 1. Choose a name. The first step in starting an LLC in Oregon is to choose a name for your business. Your business name must be unique and not already in use by another company in the state. You can check for name availability using the Oregon Secretary of State's Business Name Search tool. Once you've found a name that is available, you can reserve it for up to 120 days by filing a name reservation application with the state. This step is optional, but it can be useful if you need time to finalize other aspects of your business before officially registering your LLC. Step 2. File Articles of Organization. The next step is to file Articles of Organization with the Oregon Secretary of State's office. This document establishes your LLC as a legal entity and includes basic information about your business, such as its name, address, and registered agent. You can file your Articles of Organization online using the Oregon Business Registry or by mail using the paper form. Step 3. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN. An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is a unique 9-digit number that is assigned to your LLC by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. This number is used to identify your business for tax purposes and is required if you plan to hire employees or open a bank account in your LLC's name. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website, and there is no cost to do so. Step 4. Register for Oregon business taxes. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to register for various state and local taxes. For example, if you plan to sell goods or services in Oregon, you'll need to register for a state tax ID number and collect and remit sales tax on behalf of your customers. You can register for these taxes online using the Oregon Business Registry. Step 5. Draft an operating agreement. Although not required by law, it's a good idea to draft an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the ownership and management structure of your business, as well as the rights and responsibilities of each member. An operating agreement can help prevent disputes among members and can also provide clarity on how the LLC will operate in different scenarios. Step 6. Obtain business licenses and permits. Depending on the type of business you plan to operate, you may need to obtain additional licenses and permits from state and local authorities. For example, if you plan to open a restaurant, you'll need to obtain a food service permit from the Oregon Department of Health. Similarly, if you plan to sell alcohol, you'll need to obtain a liquor license from the Oregon Liquor Control Commission. You can find information about the licenses and permits required for your business on the Oregon Business Express website. Step 7. Open a bank account and establish business credit. Once your LLC is officially registered with the state and you've obtained all necessary licenses and permits, it's time to open a bank account in your LLC's name. This will help you separate your personal and business finances and establish a credit history for your LLC. Be sure to choose a bank that offers business checking and savings accounts, as well as other financial products and services that meet your business needs. Step 8. Maintain your LLC. After you've completed all the steps to start your LLC in Oregon, it's important to maintain your business to keep it in good standing with the state. This includes filing annual reports with the Oregon Secretary of State's office, paying state and local taxes, and complying with any applicable regulations or laws. You should also keep accurate financial records and consult with a business attorney or accountant as needed to ensure that your business is operating legally and efficiently. In summary, starting an LLC in Oregon is a relatively straightforward process that requires several key steps. By following these steps, you can establish your business as a legal entity and start operating in a way that is compliant with state and local laws and regulations. As with any business venture, it's important to do your research and consult with professionals as needed to ensure that you're making informed decisions that will help your business succeed in the long term. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty. Time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.